Alright, let's go check the P.O. box. See what's in there today. Ooh, there's your package. Hello, Captain Kryptonite. Why do I keep calling you Captain Kryptonite? Captain Granite. Thanks, sir.
You got a cam on, huh? Cool, bro.
Yeah.
Well, the thing is, like, it's like a symbol of status, or like a mindset. Like, you know, when I was growing up, there was a TV show called Happy Days, right?
The Fonz had a triumph. I have a triumph.
Right. He had a bike, you know.
He had a triumph.
Triumph, and he was a one-man gang, actually. He beat up 23 times 7.
Yeah, who doesn't love the Fonz?
And then he did this, he made his thing. So I said, I'm gonna be like him.
That's the whole point of riding motorcycles. Please and thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Hey Josh, you forgot something in the road can. Let me get the keys again. It's now been a half hour since I opened this. I actually cut the video wanting to go do other stuff because I have to change the stator on the Sportster, and like we discussed in that video, I'm gonna procrastinate until I have to do it. Speaking of procrastinating, intro of this video showed me getting some fan mail. And Captain Granite, I keep wanting to call him Captain Kryptonite, I don't know why, but he sent a bunch of different stickers for everybody, all personalized. Thanks for making Sunday and Wednesday better. Flip. You're sexy SOB. That's kind of creepy, bro. Got one for Josh. Josh!
Say it like I said.
Come on, no!
But I'm not coming unless you say it like I said to.
I don't want to.
You must call upon my true name thrice to summon a fae.
Shadetree surgeon, Shadetree surgeon, Shadetree surgeon. Seriously. Read your love letter.
May this toast fill you, fool!
Fuck, man.
Josh, keep doing what you do. Wait. I should inspire you to have better handwriting. Keep doing what you do. You inspire me to do better all the time. You're welcome, Captain Granite. And if I'm what inspires you, you're in real trouble.
That was theatrical. I got one for Devin, Kyle, and Shade too. They'll get theirs later. Screw Devin. He doesn't do anything. At this point, Shay's making more YouTube videos than Devin. Haha, suck it. Oh yeah. Got more mail. What's in here? Marv. Don't cut yourself, don't cut yourself, don't cut yourself, don't cut yourself. First thing I bought for the shop was a first aid kit. Ooh, that's a lot of stickers. Oh, Pickle Rick! Yes, that's mine. Yeah, who doesn't have Revzilla stickers? Who's that guy? There appears to be no letters, no return address. Clearly you purchased some Odin stuff. Thanks. I'm gonna go sticker the crap out of everything. Now I'm probably gonna cut to Josh working on the FXR and me doing everything not to work on the Sportster. Let's go put some stickers on the box, cause I don't wanna do any work. January. It is now September. You can't see that. Yeah, there's September. To make myself feel like I did something productive today, I'm at least gonna put the Sportster on the lift. Half the reason is because I got these new tie-down straps, because they have these things instead of the ratchies. These things suck, these things help a lot better. So get yourself those instead of the ratchies.
Well, let's see if Flip is useful after all. You already marked it in the calendar, so I am going to try to make sure he's useful.
History does not need to know why I was useful. History just needs to know that I was.
Nice! Look at you go, Flip!
Ta-da! One thing accomplished. Number 2. That has nothing to do with my stator. This has nothing to do with what's going on in there. This is just a different stator cover. As I procrastinate today, trying to find every reason not to work on my motorcycle, I start doing other odd jobs around the shop, like putting on this magnet on my box. And I'm so out of it that I completely forget to film all this stuff. So look at this. It frees up most of this drawer right here. All that's gonna go right up there.
Oh, much better, huh?
Near the camera.
You.
Yeah, it's just I need to fucking fill in a lot of gaps up here.
It's not about filling gaps, it's about filling what you need.
Well, I need a 10mm. Well, for the ratcheting end is more of the issue for me. They all have to be facing the same direction.
One of those, huh?
OCD, yeah. So much better. More mischief. Let's go find something else to do. Au revoir. Gentlemen, thank you so much. As always, thanks to the Ride Factory for always hooking us up and giving us a hand. So Josh needed a couple specialty tools to finish up the work on his FXR. They always come through. They always let us borrow what we need. They always tell me where I went wrong and how to do it correctly. So, if you're ever in Tampa, swing by the Ride Factory, go say hi, buy a freaking t-shirt at least. Awesome people, they will take care of you. Obviously, it's the next day. I clearly got nothing done yesterday. Cause, yeah, I don't know. Ooh, wait a minute. Yeah, I might have to. I need to grab some lunch. It's not very often I'm right next to it. And there's no way I'm not. Hey, real quick, I'm at La Segunda. You wanna? Yeah. Okay, that's it. Yes, sir. Hello. Can I have 2 Cuban sandwiches all the way? An apple turnover and a guava and cheese turnover, please. Thank you.
You ordered it?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you.
Are you recording? Yeah. That is awesome.
Yeah?
YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh, they love it.
Yeah, of course. There you goes, there you goes, there you goes. Hell yeah.
I'm subscribed to all your channels, okay?
Thank you. It's a lot of motorcycle stuff, so at least it's fun.
Did you want to get your page?
Yes, I did. Thank you so much, dear. Appreciate it. Steal a handful of hot sauce because I don't have any at the shop. Man, oh man, I love La Segunda Bakery. That place is just the absolute best. Been right here at this location in Ybor since 1915, and they made most of the Cuban bread that anywhere within the freaking Tampa Bay area eats comes from here. All right, back to normal. Man, that was one hell of a distraction. So much so, and I was so excited I forgot to put on my gloves. Oh man. And start the camera. All right. I can smell that guava and cheese turnover in my backpack, and oh my god. If to ever get sidetracked and distracted, La Segunda is worth every minute of it. Speaking of getting distracted, where were we? Thank you, Ride Factory, for helping us. Clearly the next day, La Segunda. Okay, clearly the next day. And we're gonna start on the stator. I got all the tools I need. I got all the parts I need. Shelby told me how to make the bracket to wedge in between the gears to stop it from turning so I can get the nut loose. Josh is picking up the flat stock for that, so we're gonna make that jig. All right, let's get on the interstate and see if my new little trick works or not. So my Bonneville T120 has a rain mode, so that when it rains, you don't accidentally over throttle. It cuts the power. It cuts the power down to a certain amount. I have no idea what exactly it cuts it down to. But it stops you from losing traction. It just slows you down in the rain. It's rain mode. It's kind of self-explanatory. You can still go fast. Just, you know, you can't go faster. Whatever that means. But over previous videos, when I get on the interstate and I'm maxed out in 6th gear, just going crazy, it gets a little loud. It gets a little hard to hear me. And last night when it was raining, I threw it in the rain mode. It sounded like a little easier. It sounded like it got a little quieter, which makes me wonder if it's a little easier to hear me speaking on the interstates, which, you know, threw it in the ring. Fine, go. Yeah, you're in a hurry. Go ahead. I'm only going 90 miles an hour already. So we'll see when I get this in my computer to see if it sounds any better. Back to the, ooh, that's not good. Back to the stator. The stator's not going to be in this video. That's the next video. I think it might take me about 2 videos to get done. It's a big thing for me, and it's something that can easily be screwed up. It's something that can really make life a lot harder if I don't do it right. I'm going to take my time. I'm not going to get frustrated with it. It requires air tools. It requires fire. Not a. Yeah, we're getting a torch in the studio finally. Sorry guys, but it's part of the kit. It needs to be there. Besides the wind, besides the gray, and besides the loud motorcycle. Getting really close to the shop. We'll pick this back up when we get there. Talk about showing up at the right time. So yeah, it's raining a lot right now. And it's summer in Florida. It's really hot, it's really humid, and it's really wet. Our season doesn't really start until October, and that's when we get to go out and do a lot more fun things, minus the fact that the apocalypse has shut down 90% of what we got to do. Still, we get to do more riding after October in the fall. We get to do a lot more hanging out, camping. Definitely doing some camping this fall. Something I've never done, something I really want to do. I've got plans on other camping related things that I want to do with motorcycles later in my future. Clearly I'm going to share it with you. Do I tell you about the really exciting thing that I have going on? Something really cool is going to happen in the very near future. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to tell my Patreons because they're awesome. As I sign out this video, again, thanks to all my Patrons. Go over there real quick. I'm gonna tell you guys some really exciting news, and that's kind of the fun of having a Patreon. It's one-on-one interaction. It's a little bit more inside trader things that I can't tell everybody because I'm not 100% sure, and because I'm not 100% sure, I don't want to get my hopes up, much less yours. And that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I got a Cuban sandwich with my name on it, so we all know how this works. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, I'll catch you on the flip side.